Hello and welcome to our Bengali language tutorial series. Whether you are drawn to Bengali culture, planning a trip to Bangladesh or West Bengal in India, or simply curious about one of the most spoken languages, you are in the right place. Bengali, also known as Bangla, is spoken by over 250 million people worldwide. From the bustling streets of Dhaka to the vibrant communities in London and beyond, Bengali bridges cultures and connects people across continents. In this tutorial, we'll start with the basic. Let's dive in with some essential phrases for meeting and greeting someone in Bengali. First, let's learn how to say hello in Bengali. You would say hello. Now let's practice saying hello together. Repeat after me. Hello. Great job. Now let's move on to asking someone how they are in Bengali. You would say আপনি কেমন আছেন? আপনি কেমন আছেন? আপনি কেমন আছেন? Repeat after me. আপনি কেমন আছেন? And don't forget to raise your intonation while asking someone something. Wonderful. Now let's learn how to respond when someone asks you how you are. You can say আমি ভালো আছি. আমি ভালো আছি. Repeat after me. আমি ভালো আছি. আমি ভালো আছি. Great job. Now let's learn a few more useful phrases to introduce yourself. You can say আমার নাম, then your name. আমার নাম. For example, you are Alex. You would say আমার নাম Alex. Repeat after me. আমার নাম Alex. আমার নাম Alex. Very good. And if you want to ask someone's name, you can say আপনার, which means your, নাম means name, কি means what. Altogether, আপনার নাম কি? What is your name? Repeat after me. আপনার নাম কি? Excellent job, everyone. You are making great progress in learning Bengali. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this helpful and want to continue learning Bengali with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy learning!